The quickest way to demo this is to show you a screenshot of the transfer articulation rule sets, in this case for biology at SUNY Plattsburgh. See, we have one course. What we're going to see is that students who take biology at this school, what would happen, what we would see on our API. So logging in here, and essentially this is our test student. And with this punched in, basically this process will return any student that has one or more unknowns. You can either select by drop-down list or you can punch in an ID. And if they have unknowns, they will show in this box here. So what we're going to do is we're going to select one and watch it process. For this course, this is a General Biology 1 course. The course description, the catalog year low and high range, and department show this is all taken directly from tests. So it dynamically pulls that information. The evaluator then reviews the information and makes a determination how a course will transfer. There's one of 6 ways a course will transfer at USC. In this case, we're going to choose Biology 120, Biology 1. Note that if a course gets GE or is lower to upper division, those flags are automatically set based on our support tables. And essentially what we do when we insert this rule, it inserts the rule sets into DARS. So if we go back and look at the table now and refresh it, what you'll see is you will see 3 new rules. For USC, we have unique processing. One rule is for if you've taken it while in high school, you're going to get a GE, but not the USC equivalents. If you've taken it after matriculation, you're going to get the equivalents, but no GE. And if you've taken it after high school and before USC, you're going to get the equivalents and GE. So pretty complex. Those are all rules that a user would have to key in. Note that the course is flagged as processed, so you don't unnecessarily insert multiple rule sets for the same course. Looking at one more example here, Biology 385, and what you'll see is that we have, this is the topics in biology. In this case, we're not going to accept it. We'll just assume for the sake of argument that you must petition for general topics. And when you insert this, essentially that rule that rule is now inserted. And if we refresh the table, what you will see is there's now a 5th rule here. So it sorts properly, puts it in the right order, and done. The other cool thing about this is there's an unknown course processing dashboard that shows us how we've inserted courses. And what you'll see here is that courses are inserted here, listed here if they've been inserted through the API, and it tells you who's done it, what data fields were included in the inserts, and by the way, what operator and what time they did it. So you can see here also that we're at 57,710 rules. That's all pretty cool. Other features here are also enable efficiencies. Happy to share those if you're interested.